Hi guys, welcome to StunnerShare. So today we are discussing about Secret of PivotBoss, Chapter 9, Higher Time Frame Analysis. So introduction video is already done, and then there are 4 topics inside this. Types of higher time frame pivots. 3 videos are done for types of higher time frame pivots, and then we are now discussing about long-term pivot with forecasting. In long-term pivot with forecasting, 2 videos are already made. One with example of 3 years of wide narrow range in Dow Jones, which happened in 2007 to 2009. And then he has also seen the same thing which was happening in 1990s during technology boom, and 1994 to 95 he was able to predict or see whether the market is reacted in the correct way or not. And the same way now in the next after the part 2 video I've explained about money zone levels. Money zone levels basically we have not discussed much, and I have not taken the topic also, but we have still discussed about that. I've plotted that in the chart, and then I have explained it to you guys as well. Watch that video, and that we have actually explained in the commodity market. Now we are going into the forex market. So we are going into GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD we have gone, and we are going into GBP USD on 2010. Okay, yes, we are here 2010. Yes, again the same concept, nothing much. Okay, so you basically know the narrow CPR means trending market, the narrow Camarilla pivots means trending market, the narrow value area or money zone value means trending market. This is very well aware to everyone. So here the same concept, this is wide value area, and the market was and the forex trade happened inside a trading range. And next month, okay, what has happened is like it's formed a narrow compared to this is narrow, but above that this is the inside value area. As this is the inside value area, and it's a narrow compared to previous wide value area, we know that the possibility, okay, the possibility of a major breakout opportunity and a trending nature is highly there. Okay, but which direction? That is the next question. Now we know this is going to be a trending day or a trending month, but which direction? If you see the previous, it was higher value and then lower value, now inside value. Okay, so the expectation is that bearish possibility is there, but to confirm the bearish possibility, you need this previous month low to be broken. And once after breaking the previous month low, and if the value area low is also broken, then the expected downtrend will obviously continue. And the same way it has happened, the market actually opened below the value area high. This is the value area high and opened below the value area high. And what happened? It then break down below the value area low. So this confirmed the bearish move. Okay, and this confirmed the bearish move, and after that it started coming down. So this is called as the what? This is called as the inside value area plus narrow value area move. This is the trending move which has happened. So you need to be very careful. Okay, regardless of any technique, any entry technique you use. Okay, any technique, whatever technique or any entry technique you have. Okay, the major decline you would have actually forecasted if you have done your homework. What is the homework? What is the previous month? The previous month is value area. Okay, wide value. And if it is wide, what is that next month? Okay, when I see the developing, okay, it is a narrow. And what is expected in narrow? Narrow means trending or breakout opportunity. Okay, whether it is inside value or not. Yes, it is the inside value. Okay, and what is the trend? Slightly in bearish trend. Okay, now where to take a trade? If the value area low is broken, I will take it. Done. If you have created this plan way ahead of the February month starting, or once after the first day is done, you would have easily gone a super good trade. So what I am trying to highlight here, I am trying to highlight that this concept of pivot or value area or whatever has been discussed in this video is working in index Dow. It is working in Nasdaq, that is also an index. It is working in crude, that is a commodity. And now it is working in British pound and US dollars. It is a forex. Now we will also see a stock related action. But you have to firstly understand what type of market, whether you have done your homework or not. This will help you. Narrow pivots and trending markets, what it will do? it will actually give you wide range. That also you should understand. This is narrow. This is very big trending move. The next month if you see, it is a wide range. And if it is a wide range, very sideways move, it will form a narrow. So all these understanding you should have. If you know the trending behavior, you will be able to know what price the market is going to move. Okay. Without knowing that, it will not be easy for you to do a trade. Now we are going to a stock called First Solar in 2009. September. Clear? So all this time we were checking a wide range value has been formed, a sideways nature has been formed, and next month it will be a narrow, and based on the narrow it would have traded big. But now let us see a trended month first and how the sideways nature happened in the next month. That is what we are going to see. So if you see this picture for September rallied. Okay. So here from this low of 112, it has made a high of 163. 40% the stock has moved in a single day. Okay. This stock has moved in this way, and we have to have Camarilla. Okay, so here the stock has taken support at L3 and then broke out L4 and it would have reached L5 or H5. It broke out H4 and it had reached H5. Okay, so the September month has rallied big. So what is expected to happen in October? October we have to expect wide range pivots and sideways nature is what is expected. Okay, so and one more thing you have to understand from chapter 8. Go visit the chapter 8. Do not forget that. Okay, the Camarilla pivots is the best method for trading a range market, because we were discussing about H3, H4, L3, L4, but between H3 to L3 there is H2, H1, L1, L2. Those layers are also there. Now I am not sure whether I have this. Let me check. Okay, I don't have this here. Okay, let me check over here. Yearly pivots is okay, but we have to check which one. We are going to see monthly now, and we will move there. And we have only H3, H4, H5, okay. We don't have H1, H2, L1, L2 there. But if there is any other indicator which provides, just have a look into that. Okay. So what am I actually going to say here is like, these are the hidden layers. H1, H2, L1, L2. These are the hidden layers. And do not forget, there is a separate video which I have made on the hidden layers. Just to watch those videos so that you will be able to understand what are the hidden layers in this market. Between H3 and L3, there are hidden layers. So now we have analyzed that on a monthly time frame for October, it is going to be sideways. It is going to be wide. And it will, and what is expected now, whether can we trade or not, there are swing traders who can come in, right? So for swing traders to come in, you can go to 60-minute chart. Okay, right now I cannot show, because if I show right now a 60-minute chart, I have to go for pro plan. But this is how the chart has been posted. If you go to 60-minute chart and use the same monthly pivot, you will be able to see H1, H2, L1, L2. And accordingly, you can trade between L2 to L1 or L1 to H2, H1 or H2. All these trades can happen. These trades are actually explained in chapter 8. I have made separate videos for that. Kindly visit those videos to understand what is hidden layers inside Camarilla. That will give you an edge. So here what has been highlighted? What has been highlighted is like, if it is a sideways nature, in the entire month, there might be, you will not be able to trade. But many people wants to trade. For those people who wants to trade, you have to convert that daily chart into 60-minute chart and have that same monthly H1, H2, L1, L2 plotted. Accordingly, you can trade a trade. Accordingly, you can take a trade. So this particular chart demonstrates an important concept. What is that concept? Higher time frame pivots can be played in all time frames. What has been told is, this is monthly pivot, but you can use in 60-minute charts also. But I cannot go and show. If you go, let me see. Okay, see, I have to extend to the plan. That is what he say. Even the monthly pivot, whatever you are having, you can use it in the higher time frames or lower time frames also. Okay, it just does not mean that you have to use monthly pivots in daily time frame. You can have the monthly pivots and convert it and convert your time frame into 60 minutes, so that you will be able to trade in a sideways nature or a trading range market. But that does not mean you have to do it. To me, I won't do it. 1 month, no trade, no problem. No trades, no loss is a profit. Okay, one trade, one loss is a loss. So to me, no trade in a month, happy, no problem. Therefore, yearly pivots can be played in all time frames. You can play it in 60, you can play it in daily, you can play it in weekly. Same way, monthly pivots, you can use it in intraday and daily charts. Okay, this concept allows you to drill down and find extremely precise entry points. Okay, so this will help you to take a trade using pivots. Clear? This is all the concept which has been explained in this particular chapter 9 third topic. The third topic is nothing but long-term pivot with forecasting. Okay, higher time frame pivots analysis introduction is done. Types of higher time frame pivots, 3 videos done. Long-term pivot with forecasting, already 2 videos done. This is the third video, and this video also has moved more than 10-15 minutes. I hope I have made the content bit easy and understanding for you guys. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like, share and subscribe. Please feel free to ask your queries, feedback in the comment section, and please help by watching this video and passing on to your friends and family. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.